We are back by popular demand to teach you the next step in how to travel healthy and how to make it easy. Because if something's challenging, if it's hard, it's not as likely to get done. So I want to keep it really super simple for you. I'm going to probably share some really basic things because my friends tell me that things that come naturally to me, don't come naturally to other people. So in my bag, actually, first of all, I'm going to show you, when I'm getting ready to travel, when I think about something, I go throw it in a pile. And that way it's done. I don't have to go find something to add it to my list. I just do it right now. That's just the way my brain works. I would rather do it now than try to remember. So let me show you what it looks like. That's all the stuff that I've been gathering. It's hard for me to see if the camera is working correctly. And then here is my travel bag. This is that's my airplane, one of my carry-ons, and it has the little strap on it so that it goes over the handle on my rolling bag. So I will put my purse in here. I have to find a jacket. I always carry a jacket with me on the airplane, of course. And then I have all my stuff. These things stay in my bag. So when I get ready, whether I'm going on a day trip or a trip for a week or two, I grab my bag, put my purse in here and my books and my water bottle, and I'm ready to go. So I have an EMF protector. I have tissue. I have, ponytail holders and my air tube earbuds. I usually don't use earbuds, but on an airplane or on a trip, sometimes I do. If you use typical earbuds, it's pulling those EMFs straight into your ears, straight into your brain, increasing your risk of brain cancer. So you want air tube earbuds. My glasses case, a ponytail holder, a little strap. This is the kind of strap where it will go through the handle of one bag, connecting one bag to the next. And I just ordered that on Amazon. And then this is actually the subject of the day, supplements. What supplements do I take with me when I travel and why? I have a tea bag and the tea that I showed you in the other video, the Peak tea. Ion Biome. I know that says Restore, but they changed the name of it. It's called Ion Biome. When I'm out traveling, I'm exposed to a lot more toxins than I am when I'm home. So this is even more important, but this is something I take every day. You've seen it in the other videos. I drop it in my eyes, I spray it in my nose, I take it orally. This product seals up leaky gut. It protects you from glyphosate and the toxins that are in the air and the water everywhere. So I have this is just a little 3-ounce size that I can refill. So this is just like my toiletries bag. When I get home, I'll take probably 30 seconds to look through this and be sure everything is refilled before my next trip. I have a couple of essential oils. Sometimes, I don't know about you, but when I travel, again, it's the toxins. On the airplane, there's chemicals, there's mold, the people around me are wearing perfumes. Those things give me a headache. And sometimes when I travel, I get tense. I don't know about you, but get to the airport on time, check your bag, get to the gate, all those things, especially now because it's a new airport because we moved. So I take my past tense oil. Frankincense is an oil that is powerful when I travel. And I take an On Guard beadlet. This boosts your immune system. And when you're traveling, you're exposed to different kinds of germs, and your immune system might need a little extra support. Again, because of all those toxins that I'm exposed to, I take Bind, which is a charcoal supplement. You can order this at healthforapurposesupplements.com. I take this more when I travel. Then I have my EMF protector. This you can also get on that same website. This is by Desbio. It's a homeopathic product, EMF Protect and Balance. On the airplane, all of those people around me are using all of their Wi-Fi, plus the airplane is using a lot of EMF, lots of power. This is an extra protection. EMFs interfere with cell-to-cell communication, and they cause oxidative stress in your body through the no-ono cycle. They block some of the mineral balances. I take extra liquid minerals when I travel. I have a product that's called Megacidin. It's an herbal immune booster. Because when you go to a different state or you're around a lot of different people, you're exposed to different viruses and bacteria. So it's helpful to boost your immune system. Plus the stresses of travel, even if it's just physical stress from the airplane, weakens your immune system. I also have a small bottle of CBD oil, a tiny little bottle of my Cyto Detox drops, and a tiny little stevia that you saw in the coffee video. If you haven't seen that, you need to go watch it. Go watch, we've got a whole series of videos all about how to travel healthy. And I have this little coconut oil ghee packet. A lot of the conferences that we go to, the host provides healthy coffee. So sometimes I like to just throw in my own extra fats. I take Renew 28. I generally have the teeny little travel size. This one is 2.7 ounce. So technically this is acceptable in your carry-on bag. If anything happened to my skin, a rash, a cut, a burn, an insect bite, this is very helpful. I take more skin cream than I usually use. In a typical day, I don't use any skin cream. We have purified soft water in our home, so I don't need it. But traveling, the air in the airplane is dry. The places that you might travel to might be dry, so I take some extra. I love this Herbaviva. This is silly. It's stretch mark cream, but it is a really nice, thick, powerful emollient. Great for your hands and feet when you're traveling. When you're in an airplane, you're exposed to a lot of radiation. And that radiation can damage your thyroid function. So I take energy bits. You can order this on our website, Health for a Purpose. Go to the shopping page and you can find energy bits, and you can get them in these little pouches. You can take these every day. I take extra ones. This is a great iodine supplement. This is the only seaweed product that we know of that has been tested truly pure. So I have a couple of other iodine supplements that I use, but when I'm traveling, I'll always have this in my bag so that I can give this to all my kids, and whoever's traveling with me. We all get a little extra iodine to protect our thyroid from the radiation while we're traveling. And then for my supplements, I use these things that I get at CVS. So I prepare my supplements in advance, and then I turn them together where the lids are touching each other, and then I take a rubber band and I band them together so that they don't flick open in my luggage. So those are I'm looking across here to be sure I didn't miss anything. I do carry extra tea with me if I'm on a longer trip because, I love my tea. Then, again, on our website, Health for a Purpose, go to the shopping page, look at Synergy Science. This is a portable hydrogen water maker. So you put purified water in here, you turn on the button, and it creates hydrogen water. Hydrogen water is powerful, powerful antioxidant. It's great for your gut, for your brain, for every cell in your body. And this is a nice, easy little portable one. And it has a little recharger with it. I told you I was finished, but I'm obviously not, because here's another thing I take with me when I travel. This is a little silk bag, and I have probably 15 or 20 small bottles of my essential oils with me. All of my friends know that I'm carrying this, and so they'll come get, maybe you want to maybe you're at a conference and you really need some help focusing. You're getting challenged, learning new things. Maybe you want a focus blend, or maybe the fatigue, maybe you didn't sleep well and you want something to help you wake up, something to help you calm down at night, something to boost your digestive system, or maybe you're sitting in a chair or in the airplane and you get kind of achy because you're not used to sitting for so long. I've got some things like that. So my essential oil travel bag that goes with me, even if I'm only going to be gone for the day. So those are the supplements that I take when I travel and how I organize it and manage it to make it easy. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or you want me to teach on something else, please comment, say something in the comments below. Of course, follow us on social media. Like, subscribe, follow, share this information with your friends. These tips will help you to stay forever young feeling because they're going to boost your cellular function and reduce cellular inflammation. So you can be healthy and happy. You can enjoy your golden years from a cruise ship instead of a nursing home.